Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 21st, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from ZKH Group, a leading MRO procurement service platform in China. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. ZKH Group has just released their third quarter 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their operational efficiencies to their strategic initiatives in AI and international expansion.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ZKH Group reported net revenues of RMB 2,328.4 million for Q3 2025, a 2.1% increase from the previous year. John, what does this tell us about their performance?
It's a positive sign, indicating a return to growth. Despite a slight decrease in GMV, the company managed to increase its net revenues thanks to a 3% growth in product sales. Their gross profit also saw a modest increase to RMB 390.2 million, although the gross margin slightly decreased due to a lower contribution from the marketplace model.
And what about their profitability?
They've made significant strides in reducing their losses. The operating loss narrowed to RMB 32.3 million, and the net loss decreased by 70.3% to 24.3 million. This improvement is largely due to cost-cutting measures and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, ZKH Group has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their cost management strategies?
Absolutely. ZKH has reduced its operating expenses by 14.4% year over year, with significant cuts in fulfillment, sales and marketing, and R&D expenses. This has been achieved through lower employee benefit expenses and optimized warehouse operations, which have contributed to a more efficient cost structure.
And what does this mean for their future outlook?
The company is well positioned for future growth. Their focus on AI and data capabilities, along with international expansion, particularly in the U.S. market, should drive further efficiencies and revenue growth. Their strategic initiatives are aimed at compounding long-term value for shareholders.
And CFO insights. Let's discuss the insights from ZKH's leadership. What did CEO Eric Long Chen and CFO Chun have to say about the quarter?
CEO Eric Long Chen highlighted the strengthening momentum in their business, with a focus on expanding their customer base and enhancing their profit mix through higher-margin private label products. He emphasized the role of AI in improving operational efficiency and cost control.
And from the CFO's perspective,
CFO Chun pointed out their resilient financial performance, with a return to revenue growth and significant margin improvements. He mentioned that their operating cash inflow of RMB 105.5 million positions them well to fund strategic priorities and optimize revenue mix.
Key takeaways. In summary, ZKH Group has shown a strong recovery trajectory in Q3 2025, with revenue growth and significant reductions in net loss. Their strategic focus on AI and international expansion, particularly in the U.S., sets a promising outlook. John, any final thoughts?
ZKH's commitment to operational efficiency and strategic growth initiatives is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their AI developments and international market penetration as key drivers for future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ZKH Group's performance in the comments below.